Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. We make it easy to create campaigns that convert your website traffic into leads and customers. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate OptinMonster with your BigCommerce site. But first, if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, let's get started. From your BigCommerce site's dashboard, select the Apps link from the sidebar menu. Next, select the large blue button to visit the BigCommerce App Marketplace. This link may open in a new tab. Type OptinMonster in the search bar, and then select the OptinMonster app from the search results. From the OptinMonster details page, select Get this app. Since we're installing OptinMonster on your existing store, select that option. If you have more than one BigCommerce store, you'll first need to select which store you'd like to install the app on. Otherwise, select Install to continue with the installation. You'll see a detailed list of the permissions OptinMonster requires. Select the checkbox to agree to the permissions request, and then select Confirm to finish installing the app. Next, you'll be prompted to log into your OptinMonster account if you haven't done so already, or start a free trial. If you've already subscribed to OptinMonster before installing the app, simply log into your existing account. Or if you are new to OptinMonster, you can sign up for a 30-day free trial. If you choose to start a free trial, you'll be prompted to enter your details on the next screen to create an account with OptinMonster. Once you're logged into your OptinMonster account, you'll have immediate access to your account and campaigns right from within BigCommerce. And you'll have additional targeting options available in the Campaign Builder's display rules that are specific to BigCommerce. If you have any questions, browse through our helpful documentation, or for further assistance, you can submit a support ticket and we'd be happy to help.